Continuing. I know my unit was atmospheres because I was using the 0.0821, which is the thing I would use if I were using atmospheres, so it's going to give me atmospheres. I was specifically asked for it in kilopascals, so I will convert. I know the ratio between those two is 101.3 kilopascals for every 1 atmosphere, and that's from back on the combined gas videos, the first ones. Multiplying that gives me 518 kPa. Go do it yourself. See if you can work it out on your own, and hit pause and come back to me. Number 5. At 137 degrees C, well, I know that's not going to be useful. I'll add 273 to that and get 410 K at a pressure of 300.11 atmospheres. That's great. A 276 gram sample. Now this can't use grams, so there's going to be a little bit of a wrinkle to this. Let's see what happens. Of an unknown noble gas, oh boy, they're going to ask me to identify this gas. Now, what I'm going to end up doing then is saying, well, what could I identify? Well, they gave me grams, right? You know, if they give me enough information, I can find moles, can't I? Let's see. Occupies 13.46 liters of space. What is the gas? So what do I have here? I got a temperature, I got a pressure, let's see, I got a volume, and I can go find R. You know what? I've got everything but moles. I can figure out moles, and I can get a molar mass, because they told me it's 276 grams. And I can go figure out the moles. You see I already wrote it in, but I'll put a blank there, and it's going to be 276 grams for every something moles. Let's go figure out what that was. Well, my pressure goes over here, my volume goes next to it, N is my unknown. I'm going to use 0.0821 because I'm using atmospheres, and again, 0.0821 goes with the if I'm using atmospheres. And my temperature is 410 Kelvin, so I'm going to do 3.11 times 13.46 divided by 0.0821 divided by 410, and I get 1.24 moles. You might want to hit pause and go set that up and see if you can make that come out there. Having gotten that, and I did double check that, I can put it under here. I know the same gas has 276 grams, and I just figured out it has 1.24 moles. If I divide that out, I get 222.6 grams per mole, and the only thing that could be is radon. You can go look at your periodic table and see what I mean. That's very close to its atomic mass. And they said it was a noble gas, too.